Yo, what's Geode fam? Welcome to Mishnah Mania. Today, we're dropping you wisdom from Pirkei Avos, the ultimate guide to leveling up your life.
Ready for some brain rot vibes with a side of smarts? Let's go.
Pirkei Avos 1:6 says, make yourself a teacher, grab a friend, and give everyone the benefit of the doubt. Sounds old school, but it's straight up bussiny for 2025.
Let's break it down, skibbity style.
Step 1, get a teacher. Yo, teachers are like your personal XP grinders. They help you unlock new skills IRL.
Like, imagine you're stuck on a math boss battle. Your teacher's got the strats to help you slay it.
Find someone wise to guide you, and you're basically cheat coding life. Step 2, acquire a friend. Friends are your squad, your ride or dies. They're there to hype you up when you're winning or pick you up when you're down. Like, who's got your back in a Fortnite duo? That's your homie.
Real friends make life lit. Choose them wisely, and you're never solo queuing life's challenges.
Step 3. Judge everyone favorably. Yo, don't be quick to yeet someone out of your life. If someone's acting sus, maybe they're just having an Ohio-level bad day. Give them a chance, and you might turn a foe into a bro. So, bam! That's the drip from Pirkei Avos. Get a teacher to level up, a friend to squad up, and give everyone a fair shot. It's wisdom that slaps for kids, teens, and literally everyone. Now go out there and make the world bussin. Peace out, Mishnah Ma.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Mala.